Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the SUN Day Care Attendant from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sunny Daycare Attendant, we're going to begin right up here with the head. I'm going to start right here and we're just going to begin by making a sad face. So we're just going to go up and then down here. Right here, I'm going to draw a small kind of circle shape that's not all the way closed in, and another one over here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and we're going to bring this up. Kind of looks a little bit like Charlie Brown's head right now. Next, I'm going to add a little curved line right here on each side. And we're going to make the mouth. So I'll begin by drawing a line that comes across and like a smile. And right here I'm going to make a bigger smiley face shape that goes down and up. Starting here right on the mouth, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to go over and then down for the nose. And right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around to here. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to curve around and bring it right up here to the cheek. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go around, and then it's going to come back here. Inside the mouth, I'm going to add another smiley face shape. Then we just want to add a bunch of little lines that come down for the teeth. Now let's add the little rays of sun around the head. We're just going to make some pointed triangles that come around. So we're just going to go ahead and add these little triangles all around the side of the face. So we're going to put some right over here. Then we want to add some right around the bottom as well. And we're going to leave some space here. So we're just going to go ahead and add a couple more over here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw two little lines that come down for the neck. Then we'll add a little circle shape in here. We'll make a little line that goes up, down, and in, and we'll go up, down, and in again for a little bow tie. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes out of each side of the bow tie. Then we want to make a line that comes down on each side. We'll make a little line that comes across. And right across here, I'm going to make a long line. Next, we're going to make a line that comes in at an angle on each side. Then just draw a line straight across to connect. Inside of here, let's just draw a zigzag line for the top of the pants. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to go in. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out, then we're going to come in. Starting here, let's go out again, and then we're going to come in like this. Same thing here. We're going to go out again, and then we're going to come in. Starting here, I'm going to draw two little lines, and then two little lines over here as well. We'll make a little line across the bottom. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to curve around. Same thing here, we go down and then we're just going to curve around. Next, we'll just curve this around. We'll go across and then up. Same thing here, we're going to curve this around. We're going to go across and then up. Now, right across the body, let's make a little line that goes across like this. And starting here, we're going to add some stripes. So let's just make a few lines that are going to come up like this for stripes on the pants. We'll draw one more here too. Do that same thing, we're just going to make all these little stripes coming up. And we'll put one more right there. Now starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around and come back. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to go out, curve it around, and bring it back. Right here, I'll make a line that's going to go out. We're going to come down, and we're going to bring it back here. Same thing here. We're going to go out, come down, and then bring it back. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down and then connect to here. Same thing here, we're going to bring this line up. We'll go down and then we'll bring it over to start the hands. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down. We're going to curve it around and then bring it back. So watch that again. We go out, down, curve it up, and then bring it back. So we want to have 4 of these fingers, just like this. So I'm going to do this 3 and 4 times. Let's do that same thing over here. I'm going to go out, we're going to come down, bring it up, and then back. And we'll do it all around here. So we'll have 4 fingers like this on each hand. Then starting here, let's make a line that goes up, over, and then we're going to bring it back down for the thumb. So watch that again. We're going to go up, over, and we'll just redraw that like this. Now on the thumb, I'm just going to draw a little line across. And on each of the fingers, we'll draw it right where that bend is, and then we'll put another one in. So I'll do that all the way across here. So we'll put that right where that bend is, and we'll put another one farther down. Now starting here on the hands, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up, and I'm going to draw it right into here. Do that same thing here. We'll start at the wrist, we're going to go down and up, and we'll bring it right up to there. Now, starting here on the face, I forgot one little detail. We're going to draw a little line that's just going to go down, that's going to curve around for some detail on there. On the ends of each of the shoe, we want to put a circle. And right at the bottom of the pants, I'm going to make a little rectangle shape with a couple little lines inside of there. And there you go. There is the Sunny the Daycare Attendant from Five Nights at Freddy's. Security breach. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.